tomatoes come in all different shapes and sizes. This is a more traditional red tomato that you might be familiar with. This is a yellow one. It's kind of green on the top, yellow on the bottom. It is fully ripe. These are red cherry tomatoes. This looks black and a little bit of pink on the bottom. This is kind of a goth black tomato, but it is ripe. They're hard to tell when they're ripe because they turn black and then green, and then for a long time you have to wait until it turns pink at the bottom. This is part green and part pink, but it is fully ripe. So they come sometimes in complete, almost complete green, but this is more of a pink one. This one is also pink and green at the top. These ones I think are my chocolate cherry, and they aren't as dark as they usually are. So it's kind of dark green at the top and pinky, kind of pink color. And then these ones are pink all the way across. And we'll compare it to the red and you can see a little more clearly. And I'm going to cut this black one open so you can see the colors. So it is kind of black partway inside as well, which, you know, if you don't know that it's supposed to be that way, can make you be worried that it's bad, but it's not. This is a normal red one. So that you can really see the difference. They both taste delicious. And then we're gonna try the yellow one. So yellow versus red versus the black one. And then this one is pink. And so because the pink is green on top, it has a little bit of that green on the inside as well. This is normal red, this is the pink, and then this one is the black. So you can see that this is green, not black. But all in all, delicious. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.